I've been feeling like
This is the One More 1M301 single driver headphones. And if you're watching this video, you're probably still using the earbuds that came with your device. If that's the case, just know that these are well-built, comfortable, and fun-sounding earbuds that are well worth its price. They come in a packaging that's absolutely sublime. You can tell that a lot of thought was put into the presentation. The silky, soft-touch finish of the cable puck, the brushed metal clip, and the convenient storage pouch fool you into thinking that they cost a lot more than they do. The earbuds themselves are equally as polished. My favorite thing about them is the way they fit. Because of the way my ear is shaped, most in-ear headphones are borderline unwearable. The One More single driver managed to stay snug while avoiding that vacuum-sealed earplug feel. The body's made of an aluminum alloy, and the gunmetal gray with red accents looks really sexy. The cable is wrapped in a nylon braid, but I wish it extended above the Y-split since the rubber gets tangled easily and creates annoying cable noise when it brushes against my clothes. The inline microphone works well though, and the buttons are clicky and responsive. One More says that the earbuds are tuned by Grammy Award winner Luca Benardi, but they're nowhere near audiophile quality. Yes, the soundstage is surprisingly wide, but the earbuds create a hollow sounding effect that makes music sound less visceral than it could. The sound profile is more fun than accurate, and the bass is a bit too flat. On the upside though, this thing gets loud, and I mean really loud, and it doesn't get distorted either. Listening to a song like Hello by Adele really showcases the grand soundstage, with her echoing vocals propagating hauntingly, and the vibrancy of the driver shines in Justin Timberlake's Say Something. The bright strings, the chorus in the background, and the thumping bass all sound distinct and layered. These earbuds may not be studio quality, but they're still miles above something like the Apple EarPods, which unfortunately many of us are still stuck using. For $30, they're a great first upgrade. If you're looking for a new pair of daily drivers that won't break the bank if you lose them, you should definitely get these. But if clarity and accuracy is a must for you, then you should probably look elsewhere.